Yo, what's up mga sir? So, nandito ulit tayo sa panibagong yugto ng bugbugan sa WWE 2K12. Ayan. So, bago tayo magpasimula dito sa universe, ayan. So, may papakita muna ako sa inyo. So, may nakuha akong save data kung saan ay naka-unlock na lahat ng superstar. Ayan. Oh. Wala nang nakalock dyan, oh. Kompleto na silang lahat. Ayan. Si Edge, si Darak. Nandito pa si McMahon. Ayan. Si Mr. McMahon. Yung kompleto na siya. Tapos merong mga bagong superstar din dito so custom lang siya. Ayan, custom superstar lang siya. So ginawa lang. Ayan, ito si Hurricane, si Cody Rhodes. Ito yung Cody Rhodes na yung bagong version ni Cody Rhodes ngayon. Yung champion siya. Ayan. Tapos Jeff Hardy, Goldberg, Jacob Cass, Shawn Michael, Sting, Roman Reigns. Ayan, nandito na si Roman Reigns. Oh. Batista, MVP, Kevin Owens, nandito na rin. Seth Rollins, nandito na rin. Ric Flair, Cesaro, ayan, nandiyan si Cesaro. Shinsuke Nakamura, yung Japanese. Si Ryback, Rusev, nandito na rin si Rusev. Si The Fiend, Shelton Benjamin, Hulk Hogan, nandito si Hulk Hogan. Matt Hardy, Bret Hart, Bobby Lashley, RVD, Kurt Angle, Umaga, Roddy Piper, AJ Styles, nandito rin. Scott Steiner, Shane McMahon. Ayun lang. So, yung mga nandito, mga custom lang to. So, mga ginawa lang to, Pero halos kamukha naman eh. Papakita ko sa inyo yung So, punta tayo sa universe. Kasi meron akong magandang laban ngayon. Yan. So, Hell in a Cell to. Yan. Cody Rhodes versus Randy Orton. Ito yung bagong version ni Cody Rhodes ngayon eh. So, champion siya rito eh. Kalaban niya si Randy Orton. Maganda to. Every breath in broken down. Ano daw? So, hindi yun yung kanta niya. Yung bagong kanta ni Cody Rhodes, hindi yun. So, 2K12 kasi to. Kaya wala pa yung music ni Wala pa yung entrance song na yun ni Cody Rhodes. So, ang ginamit lang dito ay yung dashing Cody Rhodes lang. Yung dati pa niyang yung dati pa niyang entrance. Ayan Custom lang yan mga sir Custom superstar lang yan kaya ganyan na itsura ni Cody Rhodes dyan. Pero halos hindi naman nalalayo yung itsura. Sige, pupunta ako dyan. Saglit lang. They talk to me, they understand, they talk to me. Randy Orton. Idol ko sana yan sa WWE, si Randy Orton. It's not. I hear voice into my head. They talk to me. They talk to me. They talk to me. Wow! Laki yan. Napiyok ka eh. Yan na, WWE Championship na, mga men.
Introducing the challenger from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing 245
45 pounds, Randy Orton.
And his opponent, the WWE Champion, The American Nightmare.
The American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes.
Oh boy, look at the goal. This should be an outstanding match.
So, sino ba? Randy Orton. Kay Cody Rhodes muna tayo. Cody Rhodes muna gamitin natin. Huwag muna natin sa kanya tanggalin yung belt. Kailangan siya pa rin manalo dito. Pilitin natin manalo, mga men. Bugbog ka ngayon, Randy Orton.
You know these guys are gonna do whatever it takes to leave here with it.
Cody Rhodes yan. Okay, tayo dito. Wow! Pinubo niya si Cody Rhodes. Si American Nightmare to eh. Yari.
Randy Orton thinking through every move. It seems like Randy Orton's mind is always plotting. Connected?
Huli ka.
I have a bad feeling about this. Oh, well, I can guarantee he
Lolo ko yung
feels
mic
way
natin.
worse about it.
Lolo ko yung mic natin. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, mic check. Hello. Hello. Yun. Proceed.
Orton with a fiendish counter.
Ow!
There's some more crippling
Bugbog.
from Randy Orton.
Mabang ka.
I think I saw a tooth fly out. Orton gets caught off guard. The Nightmare has the headlock.
Bang!
His neck and back and shoulders driven right into the ground.
Ang asa natin si Randy Orton.
Oh! The Nightmare's feeling very confident.
Baba tayo, baba.
What's he planning here?
Hindi ka rito, Randy Orton.
Oh man, listen to the impact as flesh meets steel. Orton
Aray!
escapes. Nice catch.
Ang
Oh,
signature
this is
A. Ayan. Yung suntok-suntok niya. Bang!
tremendous move by the Nightmare. What should we expect from Randy
Supira natin
Orton
to dito.
here?
Ay, gagi. Ba't
Well,
doon may
on paper,
hinagis?
they matched up evenly.
Dito nga
I'm
dapat
not really sure he has any advantage. So he really needs to
Dito.
suck it up and just do
Aray,
what he
ako
does
tuloy
best
inuntog.
right now. Orton trapped him.
Nadapa. Gagi na glitch. Aray. Nag-glitch siya. Uy, tayo. Halika rito. Halika rito, Randy Orton. Angasang
And
kita
there's
rito,
the arrogance of the Nightmare.
Rito. Yan, nihintay kita bumaba eh.
Oh, this isn't right. But it's legal, King. It's all
Yan
legal.
na, supira natin to dito. Bang!
My God, the cell. The cell has been broken wide open.
Kaya tayo dito sa taas.
Oh, Michael. I mean, King, think about it.
Hindi,
Now
hindi
with the wall,
makaakyat.
oh my gosh, he's climbing the cell wall.
Sundan
He's
mo ako
heading to
dito.
the top. And once he gets there, anything can happen.
Akit din
And
yan.
now his opponent is going
Narito pag umakit oh.
after him.
Yari ka ngayon pag umakit ka, loko.
Oh, this is bad.
Ay, 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 ay,
news.
ay,
I mean,
ay, 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 ay.
seriously bad.
Ay, naku,
Good
lagot.
God, he's
Ako
trying to
nahulog.
crawl back
Oh!
Oh my goodness. No,
Nalaglag sa ano?
No.
Lamesa, kawawa. Okay, nahulog. Kainit. Tayo.
He's getting back
Yun.
up. How the hell is he still on his feet?
Kaya dito. Dito tayo sa taas. Dito tayo sa taas maglaban. Tagal.
Oh no! I can't believe this.
Mag-angas tayo na mag-angas para mapuno yung ano natin. Yung bar natin. Yan. Taga rito, dito. Tayo sa gitna.
I haven't been comfortable since they broke out of the cell. Come on, guys, get down from there.
Yun.
What's gonna happen next? But it's not
Di na
gonna
lang.
be good.
Isirain natin yan.
Not this.
Bang.
He's looking at it
Bang.
again.
Bang. Signature move. Sabay suntok.
What a move by the champ.
Gagi, dugo yung ulo. Dito, dito. Try. Ako pa yata mahuhulog ah.
He's just having his way.
Well, you have to give the devil his due. Orton's a master at this.
Ako, lagot tayo dito.
Hey,
Ayaw mahuhulog dito, men. Ah!
it broke.
The cell roof is broken open, ladies
Ako yung
and gentlemen, and
nahulog.
with that
Gagi.
fall, I'm not sure, but
Bibilangan na tayo
we
niyan.
may need to get the medics out here.
Oh no, the champ might be done in. Oh no.
Oh
Bang.
my, what thunderous impact.
Finisher na natin to para panalo na.
Watch it.
Crossroads. Bang.
He's out.
Okay, comeback.
Uh-oh, it might be time to run.
Isa pa. Di pa ako
Here we
kontento
go.
eh. Bang. Tayo.
Whoa, whoa.
Kawawa na si Randy Orton.
Hey,
Bang.
what a move.
Isa
He
pa.
sees it.
Crossroads ulit natin.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's it. He's done.
Sabay bilangan natin.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line. 1, 2, 3.
Panalo.
Nightmare retains.
Here is your winner, and still the WWE Champion, the
American Nightmare.
Wow, what a match!
The championship retained over some game competition.
Tuguan yung ulo ni Randy Orton. ginawa si Randy Orton. So, yun lang muna mga sir. Ayan. So, abang-abang ulit kayo ng mga kasunod nating mga laban, ano. So, natapos na natin yung Hell in a Cell. Ayan. So, pinanood ko lang sa inyo yung pinakamagandang laban yan. WWE Championship yan eh. Panalo pa rin si Randy Orton. Ay, si Cody Rhodes. Si American Nightmare. So, mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa YouTube ko mga sir ah. Ayan. Jan Keyo Gaming. Para updated kayo sa mga ilalabas nating mga bagong gameplay. Ayan. So, thank you mga sir.